7th August 2020, Friday. Good morning. You are listening Avni Erin, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you all the latest updated news from around the world. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shakti Kanta Das on Thursday said that India's forex reserves have increased by $56.8 billion to $534.6 billion in the current financial year between April to July. India's second largest telecom company Bharti Airtel has tied up with Amazon Web Services to grow its cloud business in India. The government has extended Ajay Tyagi's term as the chairman of Security and Exchange Board of India by 18 more months, with effect from September 1, 2020 to February 28, 2022. In order to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on households, RBI on Thursday enhanced the loans to value ratio for loans sanctioned by banks against pledge of gold for non-agriculture purposes to 90%. Union Minister for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel on Wednesday said that the Ram Temple will boost the religious spiritual tourism in India. An image of Lord Ram and the design of the Ram Temple said to be built in Ayodhya was displayed at New York's Times Square on Wednesday. A video showed the display of the images with people chanting Jai Shri Ram in the background. Lebanon's capital declared a 2-week state of emergency in capital Beirut following an explosion in the city. The cabinet also handed control of security in Beirut to the military. A survey of antibody tests on around 9,500 people across Afghanistan estimated 1 crore of the country's nearly 3.2 crore population has been infected with COVID-19. Afghanistan Health Ministry said. Over half of Kabul's 50 lakh population is estimated to have been infected, it added. I, Avni Erin, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.